Hello everyone, what's up guys? Today we are going to be learning more about lists. So we already told you in the last tutorial we are going to be learning more about lists. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you already know what the list is. So this is a list and we can print a list out. Totally a list, right? We can print it out, the entire thing, or we could see how much values are there in a list. So len totally a list. The length of totally a list, we have to print out the length of totally a list, which is 4. Of course there's 4 values there. Alright, so now you already know what totally a list dot append is. You already know what that is, right? So totally a list dot append hello world. Alright, and we're going to print out the totally a list. Okay, the fort. Okay, hello world, of course, because we added hello world. Append adds hello world. Now, when we if you want to clear the entire thing or like delete all the values over here, just put on clear. And then nothing else, no arguments. And now we want to print totally a list, right? Okay, we just deleted all the values. Okay, next is pop. It just deletes the value at the very end. So totally a list, as you can see, it's going to remove Bernard right here. It's going to remove Bernard. Okay, there we go. Yeah, most Bernard. Pop. Or you could do it multiple times for Bobcat in range. 2 times. totallyalist.pop. Okay, so if you don't know what the Bobcat is, like, did I already mention what that is? That's basically a value in the for I in range. I is just a value. Like for example, okay, let's just print Bobcat. Okay, there we go. We just print Bobcat. Yeah, it's just a value in the foreign range. I'm going to explain more about it later. Later in the tutorials. But yeah, print. I mean, totally a list. Pop. Okay, we just deleted 2 values. We're going to delete Bernard and Steak, and then we're left with Bernard 44. There we go. Yeah. We just use I because it's more nearer to our right hand. And we're going to learn about nested loops, okay? For I, we're going to learn nested loops later on. Range for the in range. So basically, playlist dot pop. Oopsie. Maybe 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we delete all of these. Yeah. This is a nested loop. Okay, this is a This is a nested loop. So yeah. But we're going to learn nested loops later on. Not now. Okay. Let's just put it up. Oh gosh, what the hell? Hello? Oh my gosh. Alright, okay, so yeah. So as you can see, you already know what pop does. Pop just deletes the value at the very end. So we're left with Newbie and 5. If you do that 2 times, it's going to delete the 2 values at the end. So repeat that 2 times. totallyalist.pop. And yeah, you're left with Newbie. It just deletes 2 values at the very end. All right. Next is, oh my gosh, not this again. Okay, I fixed it. All right. So now we're going to learn about the all right, extend that, this, and then anything you want. Hello world, and then a number 11 or 10 or 5. Let's just do 5. Right, there we go. So now what did I just do? So basically what this means is totally a list that extend hello world 5. We just extended totally a list by all of these. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty self-explanatory, very easy to understand. Just put a parentheses and list, and then anything you add here, you don't need to like do this, right? You don't need to do this. Okay, you can see. So let's make this into a comment. You don't need to do this. So totallyalist dot append hello world, because you can only add one. If you want to add like 2 at a time or 3 at a time, 1 plus, you can do extend, but you can't do it here in append. So world 5, you can't do it. It's going to put an error. Only one argument. But if you want to like do it like more than 1 at a time, just use extend. Very easy. Copy this. Okay. Yeah. Next is, you can also, this another way too. Like what I explained to you last in the episode. Totallyalist plus hello world, and then 5. Yeah, that's another way. Alright, that's another way to extend. Yeah, so just use extend or append because it's more faster. Alright, next is we're going to learn about a count. So totallyalist, let's go to the print statement here. Totallyalist count 5. Okay, now when you're on the script, it prints out 2. Let me see, print totallyalist. Okay, so 5, right? Why does it print out 2? Because totallyalist that counted 5 inside the parentheses is the one. That's how much we're trying to say here, is how much 5 are there in the list. So we have to print out the number of 5 in the list. So which is 2, right? 1, 2. Alright, how much salad in the list, right? How much string salad is there in the list? Of course there's one salad over here. Alright, next let's add like 3 salads, because we all like salad, right? Probably not you, but I think you like, or no. Alright, then salad. Okay, we're gonna remove that. Alright, so we're going to print that out. This is going to be 3. There we go. So it prints out 3. There's 3 salads. Okay, great. There's 3 salads. Alright, next, last but not least, we're going to learn about totallyalist dot, where was it? Okay, so insert. Alright, insert. Let's insert salad at the very beginning, very beginning. Now print totallyalist again. Alright. Oh great. Frick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just inverted it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Pretty. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, what did I just do? So here is the difference between the script. Okay, let me just make it simpler. Okay, let me make it simpler. List.insert. Insert. Okay, here is it before, and here is it after. And now we are going to remove. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me just remove these salads over here. Alright, so when you're on the script, there we go. So newbie, and then we just added first at the first at the zeroth at the zeroth place in the list. So yeah, because if you want to like put it in like the first in the list or in the second in the middle, let's put it in the middle, right? Let's put it in the middle. Let's add one. Yeah, there we go. So first, let's make that into second. It's always going to be put at the second. Yeah, there we go. See, second. Alright. Let me just copy this for the video. I always forget to copy the code. Okay, so yeah. So what this means is we insert the string second at the first place in the totallyalist. So yeah. So if don't get confused by this, again, at the first before the comma, this is where we put, this is where the number we put the second argument. So the first argument, basically that's the place where we want to insert the second argument with. So we want to place 2 at the first place in the totallyalist list. Okay, yeah, boom, we put 2 because second. Just put a string here. I miss using these only one string. Sorry. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.